would it do me to make out of you? Got my heart and live for you. I promise on my honor to live by your side. I go come tell your mama, say you be my wife. Hey! And I can be your man, and you can be my girl. I can be your man. Do you know the part?
No.
That's sweet me. Yeah, I love the way you do your things, love the way you say my name. Especially when you're telling me you love me.
I love you.
You know, let me open up for you. Yeah. You love it?
Oh.
You love it? Woo! You know, I love you so much.
I love you more.
You are the girl of my dream. You've been the girl I've been waiting for my whole life. You know, I don't want you to cheat on me, okay? I don't want to see you with another man.
I'll never do that behind you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure? You sure? Oh my God! Let me taste your drink, eh? It's sweet to me.
Wow.
It feel good. You like the biscuit? Should I give you the biscuit? Okay. Alright. I bought this straight from UK.
Ooh.
Okay, last one. Love it. It's sweet. It's very expensive. Yeah. Very expensive. I love you too, baby. You know, I want to see your family, man. Yeah, I want to see your family, and then, you know, I want to let them know that I want to marry you. Woo! Of course. I want to marry you. But what I'm afraid of is, you know, I don't want to lose you.
You will lose me because I love you.
Are you sure?
I love you so. You're not losing okay. To be vigilant. That my friend, I don't trust her.
Yeah. Why? Is there a problem or what? If there's a problem, tell me.
Me, I can't tell you anything. What I have to tell you is my winning now. So you have to be.
We are family now. Just gist me anything.
No. Me, I can't tell you anything. But what I can tell you is me, I don't trust her because these days what I've been seeing, I don't trust her. I think she's doing something behind. Then you have to be careful.
Doing something behind?
Yeah. That's what.
50. Tell me anything.
Yeah, it's okay. Me, I can't tell you anything. That's why I'm telling you that be vigilant.
Vigilant?
Yeah, steady here very well. Yeah. Yeah, you have to steady here. Because I don't trust her anything. It's what she has been doing. One of some people.
Okay, I hear.
Okay.
I'll shine my eyes.
Okay.
I'll be vigilant.
Okay, for shine your eyes. Okay, then let me leave you then. Okay. Next time we'll meet. Okay, then bye. Take care, okay?
I'll take care.
Good afternoon, Nakofi. How are you doing? Well, okay. I guess you know me, and I'm here because of Portia. Okay. Of late, some things has been happening. Okay, she doesn't sleep, she doesn't eat. She has just been calling out your name. Please, I'm begging you. For Nanako, please. Of late, Portia haven't been eating. She doesn't sleep. She doesn't talk to anyone. She has been calling out your name. Nana, please, I'm begging you. Follow me home. Just see her. Just you. Even if you won't follow me, just come see her. Okay, just come see and just talk to her. I'm begging you.
Nana, it won't help me.
As in,
What I said, it won't help me.
how? How? Like how? How won't it help you? How? How won't it help you? How?
But then, I don't get it.
Gosh. Yo, what's up? You want somebody's daughter to die? What's wrong with you? I'm pleading. I'm begging you. I'm pleading. What do you want again? I'm pleading. Like I'm begging. Please. I'm tired. Come see her. She's your girlfriend or not? Why are you doing this? You know what? You can stay here for all I care. If she dies, she's just a friend. Excuse me.
Why are you stressing out? Stressing me.
What I've passed through, I don't want it to be repeated. That's why I don't. It's like I'm not giving my attention to you.
Baby, you have to give your attention to me. I will show you kindness. Don't worry. Are you forgetting you are the person who told me to leave your friend?
Okay, if you said so, me, I don't have any problem. But let me think. I'll think about it.
I'm sure you're going to think about it.
Yes, I'll think about it.
Thank you,
Okay. Then maybe by Friday.
Friday?
Yeah, you hear from me.
Okay, no problem. I got you.
Okay. Bye. Whom are you speaking with? Only one year, Kasa. Whom are you speaking with? Whom are you speaking with? Portia clothes you, Portia feeds you, Portia pay your bills, Portia do everything for you, and you are still speaking with a woman on phone. So when will you change? When will you change?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me, sir? When will you change? If you change, I will also change. Change.
Are you my mother? To tell him to change?
I can never give birth to somebody like you. Yes! Ungrateful being like you.
You say what? Say it again.
Ungrateful being. Why do you want to beat me? You want to beat me? Hello? You want to beat me?
It's fine. Don't touch me again. I don't like that.
Let me see. Wait. Give me your phone. Let me see the person you're speaking with. Give me your phone. Let me see the person you're speaking with.
Why should I give you my phone?
Give me your phone. Let me see the person you're speaking with. Let me see. It's not for me, but I'm fighting for Portia.
Look at you, fighting for somebody.
Yes!
Yeah, you are mad.
I'm not like you.
Wait, they don't follow me.
I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
You
Kill me. I'll follow you.
Hey.
Let me see the person you're speaking with. Also, I'll tell Portia. Let me see. Somebody who fits you. A man like you. A full-grown ass man like you. You can't buy your own food to eat. You want a woman to feed you. Listen. Buy you clothes. Even this one, I escorted Portia to buy this for you. Do you know how much this thing is? Do you know how much this shirt is? Wait. I'll follow you.
You are mad.
I'm mad like you. I'll follow you. Wait.
Why follow you?
Wait, I'll follow you. I'll follow you. You think I'll leave you? Let me see the person you're speaking with.
Oh, this girl, don't. What's wrong with this girl?
Let me see you.
Stop following me. I don't like that.
Hey. Nana Kofi, stop what you're doing. Let me see you.
I said don't follow me.
Nana Kofi, I'll follow you. Nana Kofi, everywhere you go, I'll follow you. Let me see. Nana Kofi. Me, I'm mad. Full-grown ass man like you.
You are mad.
You want a woman to feed you. Shame on you. Come and explain yourself. Come here. Sun is scorchy. The sun is scorchy, you know. I'll scan, yeah. I gave the money to Portia.
You give the money to Portia?
Yeah.
When did you give it to her?
That was yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
What time? Because I was with her the whole of yesterday. I think I left there in the evening. What time did
I
you
gave it to her in the evening time. Was it around 5 to 6 thereabouts?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe she might have forgotten. I'll go there.
Okay.
And I leave you, I'll go to her place and
Okay.
check up on her and see.
Okay.
I think it's a full amount. If you know you didn't give her the full amount, like you get
I
me
gave her
angry.
everything.
You get me angry.
I gave her everything. Oh, like I'm tired.
Hey, this area, it's not easy.
Hey! Then, when we should give the money to you, okay?
Okay. Anyway, I'll call you when I get home.
Okay. Then you tell her that I said I'll come and check on her.
Okay, alright.
Then, bye.
Alright.
Okay.
You'll be soon here.
We came here for I think we've been here for an hour now, right?
Baby.
Oh.
Do you know Anna? 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You'll be here soon.
Okay. Please, you can't keep me waiting like that. Please. Boyfriend.
Baby. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. It's too small. What's too small? Eh? But there's something wrong with you. Why would you have to say this? Huh? You are sorry. Sorry for your own self.
It's okay.
Hey, let me have it. I think you don't need it anymore.
Babe,
What's babe? Let me have it.
I said I will manage it.
You manage what? You don't need it. Let me have it.
Babe!
What's babe? Something wrong with your head. Give it to me! Why they look me like that? Eh? Friend, do your deal, make her do my deal.
Bosu, respect yourself.
Respect yourself.
Respect yourself.
Babe! Nana! Nana!
Did you hear? Nana kill you. Nana kill you. Did you hear him?
Did I say something wrong?
Yeah. Are you asking me? Go ask your so-called boyfriend. Somebody is madly in love with you. The person is dying to do anything you ask him, he's going to do it for you. You are here. Nana, there's anything. Come on. Listen.
I want to go and...
You want to? Be Jijawon. How do much person want to that?
I don't want to lose him.
You don't want. Hey.
Hey.
Are you okay?
So he left me.
No, he's standing there. Nonsense.
Lazy.